In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a category and add it to your WordPress menu in a straightforward and efficient manner. So, if you're ready to enhance your website's navigation, let's dive right in. First, head over to wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button and give it a click. This will take you to the login page, where you'll see an option to continue with Google. Select this option for a quick and secure login process. You'll then be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply select the account linked to your WordPress site and you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. With the dashboard in front of you, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find the Posts section. Click on it and from the drop-down that appears, select Categories. This section is where you can manage all your blog's categories, crucial for organizing content so that your readers can easily find what they're looking for. In the Categories section, you'll see fields for adding a new category name and other details such as a slug and description. Go ahead and fill out the name field with your desired category title. Once that's complete, you can set this new category as the default, just save your changes, and WordPress will automatically apply this category to any posts that aren't manually assigned a different category by you. Next, let's return to the top of the page where you'll find the My Site button. Click on it. This takes you to an overview of your website. At this point, you will want to see your site as a visitor might, so click on Visit Site. This allows you to access and edit the site directly. Once the site has loaded, look for the Edit Site button in the top ribbon and select it. You are now inside the site editor, which allows you to tweak the layout and content of your entire site. In the top left corner of this editor, there is an Add button which you'll want to click. A search bar will appear where you can type in category. It's a useful feature for quickly locating components within the site editor. Upon typing, you'll see an option called Categories List. When you click on this option, your new category should appear as part of the list, specifically as the default category you just set up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a new category, but also successfully added it to your WordPress menu, making your website that much more organized and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more WordPress tips and tutorials soon.